Hello, today we will guide you through how to add releases to Jira for clear project delivery. To begin, open Jira and navigate to the product discovery area where your ideas are listed. This is your starting point before moving into the project where the release will be created. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand navigation and click on the sample project. This takes you into the project workspace where release planning is managed. After the project opens, find the plus sign in the left navigation. This option is used to expose additional project sections that may not already be visible in your sidebar. Click the plus sign, and from the menu that appears, choose Releases. If Releases is not currently pinned to your project navigation, you'll then click Add to Navigation. This is helpful because it makes the Releases section easier to access later, especially if you'll be managing multiple delivery cycles over time. Once Releases has been added, open that section and click Create Release. This is where you'll define the release details that help your team track delivery more clearly. In the release creation form, begin by entering the release name. Choose a name that is easy to recognize, such as a version number, milestone title, or a short label that matches your team's planning style. A clear name makes reporting and communication much easier later on. Next, select the date range for the release. This helps establish the expected delivery window and gives everyone visibility into when the work is planned to start and finish. Try to choose dates that reflect your actual schedule, since this can improve forecasting and keep timelines aligned across the team. After that, select the driver for the release. This links the release to the relevant initiative or source of work, which is useful for maintaining context and showing why the release exists. It also helps connect planning decisions back to larger project goals. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your release will then be created and added to the project. From there, your team can use it as a clear delivery marker for organizing work, aligning timelines, and tracking progress toward a specific outcome. As a final tip, it's worth reviewing the release details before saving to make sure the name, dates, and driver all match your intended plan. Small setup choices here can make your Jira project much easier to understand later. And that's how to add releases to Jira for clear project delivery.